Removing stuck aluminum foil from your oven.
Hello everyone! Today, we're going to address a common kitchen mishap: aluminum foil stuck to the bottom of an oven. We've all been there, and with a few simple steps, we can fix it without any fuss. Let's dive in.
Why does aluminum foil stick to the oven?
Before we get into the removal process, it's helpful to understand why this happens. When aluminum foil is exposed to extreme heat, it can melt and bond with the oven's surface. Especially if your oven has a hidden or underneath element, placing foil at the base can directly expose it to such high heat.
Preparing the oven.
1. Turn off your oven and make sure it's completely cool. 2. Remove any oven racks or other items to give yourself ample space to work. 3. Ventilate the area. Open windows or turn on fans to ensure there's plenty of fresh air.
Softening the foil.
Sometimes, softening the foil makes it easier to peel off. 1. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water in a spray bottle. 2. Spray the mixture on the stuck aluminum foil and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help in softening the foil.
Gently scrubbing the foil away.
1. Using a wooden or plastic spatula, to avoid scratching the oven surface, start scraping off the aluminum foil. The softened foil should come off relatively easily. 2. For stubborn areas, you can also use a mixture of baking soda and water to create a paste. Apply the paste on the stuck foil and leave it for a few minutes. Then, scrub with a soft cloth or non-abrasive scrubbing pad. 3. Once all the foil is removed, wipe the area clean with a damp cloth to remove any residue.
Preventing future mishaps.
1. Avoid placing aluminum foil directly on the oven floor. Instead, place it on the rack beneath the item you're cooking, ensuring it doesn't touch any heating elements. 2. Consider purchasing an oven liner specifically designed for catching drips without causing any hazards. There you have it. A simple and effective method to remove that pesky stuck aluminum foil from your oven. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, always ensure safety first and happy cooking.